Hello, welcome to day 15 of Summer of Core. We are starting week 3. And today we're going to come back to our crunch position on our back. And we're going to roll forward and back, trying to keep the core really strong. So you're rolling like a ball, you're a tight little ball. And then once you get up, you want to try to take a little balance. And there's actually two variations. There's one with the knees pulled in, and then there's one with the legs straight out in a V. So I'll show you both. So the first version, you come onto your back, pull your knees into your chest, and you want to have your knees really tight in to avoid using momentum. I actually like to grab from behind the knees. I feel like I get a better grip, and then I don't put pressure on my knee joint so much. So just real gentle. You're engaging your core, coming forward and back, and then try not to use momentum, but using your core strength. Come up, find a little balance, and then roll back. Okay, so that's version 1. Just come up to balance and back. Balance and back. Okay, second one is you've got your legs out wide, and same thing. So you're balancing up, here, and back. Here, and back. And try to hold that balance as best as you can. Again, trying to not use momentum, but to use your core strength. Okay? Alright, so those are the two versions. Try them both, see which one you like better, and try to do at least 5 rocks and do 3 sets of 5, either one you want. And oh, I can feel that. So hopefully you'll be able to feel that too. And if you have any questions, of course, always ask. And I will see you tomorrow.